Simplify and write the answer in exponential form. To do this, we're going to need to break apart each of these terms into a string of multiplication, all using the same identical number. So if I were to break apart 8 into something like that, I could break it apart into 2 times 2 times 2, which is the same thing as 2 to the third power. That's its most simplified exponential form. So since both of these numbers are odd, I would recommend trying to use the number 3 to achieve this. We know 3 times 3, or 3 squared, is equal to 9. So what is 3 to the third power? That would be the same thing as 9 times 3, which we know is 27. So we can use that to rewrite our first term, 3 to the third power to the negative third power, because of this negative power right here. Then let's see what 3 to the fourth power is. 3 to the fourth power would be 27 times 3. 3 times 7 is 21. 3 times 2 is 6, plus 2 is 8. 81, that's what we need for our second term. So we can rewrite it as times 3 to the fourth power. Now we can resolve the power to a power. The law of exponents says that a power to a power allows you to multiply those two powers together. So this is the same thing as 3 to the 3 times negative 3, which will give us 3 to the negative 9 times 3 to the fourth. And now the law of exponents says that if you have like bases and you are multiplying them together, you can add their exponents. Excuse me. You can add their exponents. So this is the same thing as 3 to the negative 9 plus 4, which will give us 3 to the negative 5. And finally, the law of exponents also says that a number with a negative exponent is equivalent to that base's reciprocal with an equivalent positive power. So if we want this exponent to be positive, which we do, a negative exponent is not fully simplified, we would need to take the reciprocal of its base, which would be 1 over 3, and then give a positive 5 power to the denominator, making A our correct answer.